is she under arrest? She did nothing wrong.
Can I show you the cameras in my house? Can I show you the cameras in my house and then I wouldn't get arrested? Can I show you that? I have cameras. I can back up what I'm saying. Would I not get arrested then?
Officers responded to a domestic dispute after a witness reported screaming and a man yelling, "She's crazy," outside the home. They tracked his vehicle and made contact before this body cam footage begins.
All right, so how's it going today? Well,
Good.
not great.
It's a fifth pattern of abuse here.
So this has happened before?
Mm-hmm.
And talk to me about what happened before.
It's the same thing. He doesn't want to help out. He doesn't come home all week. He comes home Saturday, Sunday, ranting, screaming at me, yelling, throwing stuff. Tonight, I was trying to lift that up to bring it to my car over there because we're getting kicked out of here. Like they're terminating our lease. So I've got a few months to get out of here. So we're trying to get stuff slowly out of here to put in a storage locker to go to the new place, so it's not all at once. Right. And he got mad, took that out of my hand, threw it against the wall. Everything flew out of there. Stuff exploded. That broke. Then he opened the window up there, said he was going to jump out the second floor window. He's screaming, all psychotic. And I told him to get out. And then I went to pick this stuff up in the hallway. And he chased me between the first and second level. There's like a floor where, you go up. And he almost shoved me down a flight of stairs, basically.
So talk to me about that. Like, what do you mean by basically, and like, can you, I guess, describe it a little bit more?
I was hanging on by the heels of my foot
And
before I would have gone down the last flight of stairs.
So walking back like 5 seconds from that happening, like, so you were walking which direction?
To pick this stuff up.
And where?
He came down from the kitchen where he opened the window.
Okay.
And basically threw me against the wall. And I shoved him back. I'm not going to lie. He shoved me.
So he shoved you into a wall. How did he shove you under the wall?
Which is why my shoulders are hurting right now.
So he used two open hands. Was he squared with you, or was he, like, how was it?
I don't even remember. It happened in a split second.
Okay.
All I know is it happened.
Okay.
I don't even remember the angle. All I know is I was near another stairwell where I could have fallen down. And I have an injury from this 2 years ago. I don't have another guardrail going down the stairs, according to my doctor. So.
Okay. So he shoves you near the stairs, top or the bottom of the stairs, or the top of the stairs?
The top.
Okay.
They're going between the first and the second floor. There's stairs here going up, and then there's a floor, and then there's another flight.
Got it.
We were on this thing.
Like the median. Got it. And then you said he shoved you. You shoved him back, and then what happened after that?
He kept shoving me, and then I was like teetering on the stairs, and I had to force him off of me so I didn't fall off the stairs.
So
backwards.
So he shoved you more than once.
And I shoved him backward once, so I would go down the stairs.
Okay. And you...
I'm already injured. I got a whole house to be out of here in 3 weeks.
Okay. And if you had to estimate how many times you guys shoved each other back?
2 each, maybe.
2 or 3 times, roughly. Okay. And then, so at any other time during this whole altercation, did anything else happen?
Oh, I tried to stop him from jumping out the window, so I grabbed his shirt.
You grabbed his shirt?
I grabbed his shirt here, and I'm like, no, what are you, psycho? And you said he was going to rip the screen. I mean, I've not opened that window since I lived here. So I've been here 9.5 years.
So you just grabbed his shirt? And you grabbed it where?
Yeah.
By his collar? Okay.
Which didn't really help, because he was climbing on the counter, and I'm only so strong. So my whole body's sore right now, honestly.
And you put one hand on his collar, 2 hands on his collar?
This hand. It's like this.
And that's it? So do you know why he would have any scratches on his arm as well? Does he have scratches on his arm and his neck?
I have no idea.
Okay.
He had this bag that he was trying to leave.
So he had an orange bag, yeah.
Okay, was he trying to leave trying to leave the residence?
No, he was walking down the middle floor and altercating with me on the floor.
I mean, he was trying to leave when you said he was jumping out the window.
He didn't have his bag. And he was still trying to get out the window.
But then after that, when he was trying to leave, were you blocking his way on the stairs? That's why he pushed you.
No. I was picking that stuff up because it was leaking all over the floor. I do have to get out of here. I'd like to leave it in an acceptable state.
I understand that, but I mean, to me, it sounds like he was trying to. I mean, you shouldn't be pushing people, but it Sounds like maybe were you blocking his path in the stairwell?
Nope. Well, I asked to believe.
Okay.
Because with all of this, I mean, I'm trying to go out on kind of a good note. We're already getting kicked out. That's bad enough. Or it's already bad enough on a rental record. I've never been kicked out of anywhere.
Okay.
I don't want all of this and screaming. And plus, I asked him to
You
leave.
don't want to make a scene. But like,
Plus, I got dogs in there. You hear them all upset.
I understand that. So
I am trying to
you
diffuse the
said,
situation.
yeah, you say you've been taking like self-defense classes. You've defended yourself. So you said you pushed him. Did you also like scratch at him to get him away from you, or
No, the only thing I did was grab his collar up by that window.
Okay.
I did not
You got
scratch him.
strapped on-
I don't even
strapped
have
on
nails.
She doesn't have.
I don't even have. There's no way I can scratch him.
Force, you don't get scratched with.
I shoved him like this. That my nails never
But then
made
you grabbed his
contact.
collar, right? Which you keep by his neck.
Like this.
Yeah, you said you
I-
grabbed you
but I didn't- I
you
didn't
grabbed
never
his
touch
collar.
his- I never
you
touched
grabbed
his
his
skin.
collar you're saying it stopped him
Not let him jump out of there.
throwing off the window,
Yes.
and by some kind of contact with his shirt, you scratched his neck, assumingly because he's got scratches on his neck right exact place that
I
you're.
don't know. He left. I don't know.
Yeah, well we were just talking on it.
Okay.
So he's got scratches on his arms. Well, if you're telling him to leave, why would he need to leave out the window?
This is what he does. He jumps out the car sometimes too.
Okay, but then did he jump out the window or he come down?
No, as you can see, the window's still open.
Yeah, so I mean, if he's trying to
I
jump out the
can't have
window,
him ripping
what
screens.
causes him to then take the normal way out versus jump out the window?
And he, like I said, that's when he went down the stairs over here, and we were kind of altercating
out
there.
of the way.
What?
Didn't he push you out of the way?
Yeah, I was teetering on the stairs.
Because it seemed like he was trying to leave this in right.
Well, I did ask him to leave, yes.
Yeah, it seemed like.
But he was still ranting at me.
Yeah, obviously you guys were still talking, right?
No, we weren't talking.
For him to have to get out of the way, he's having to get past you because you're blocking his way. He's got injuries on his neck, right? He's got an injury to his forearm.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the kind of picture that we are getting. He was on his way back to try and make amends, but he's telling us that he didn't have any contact with you, but you did have contact with him.
That is not true.
Right,
Michelle.
but
My shoulders are killing me. I bet you if I go in for an x-ray right now, I'm probably injured if I went to urgent care. I could almost guarantee it.
Okay.
I mean, literally today, I just got a massage earlier today. I could tell you right now, my shoulders did not feel like this an hour ago. Did I get a massage today? I mean, I can even give you the name of the place.
Doctors are okay. Yes.
So I had no injuries here.
Good for the tree. Have you gonna place some nervous for
Me?
okay? Yes.
What the heck?
Oh.
How is she under arrest? She did nothing wrong.
Grab my purse. They don't take abuse seriously. This is unbelievable. I'm the victim.
Is there
Because he has a scrap when I defended myself.
foot checked and double locked?
Can I show you the cameras in my house? Can I show you the cameras in my house and then I wouldn't get arrested? Can I show you that? I have cameras. I can back up what I'm saying. Would I not get arrested then? I have cameras in my house.
Did you talk about the cameras earlier?
I have cameras.
Why were you not talking about cameras earlier?
I didn't think I would need to. I mean, I would think you'd take me at my word. I'm the victim here.
Yeah,
But-
he was
but-
And now I'm getting arrested
Yeah, I mean, in a situation where we're trying
because
to
I
get
defended myself.
in the
That's not
situation
against the
where
law.
we are
my
trying to-
son-in-law's a cop.
in the situation we're trying to get details from you. Don't you think cameras would have been a good thing, especially if your son's a cop and you should know the,
Son-in-law, to be.
okay, so you think cameras would have been
That's
first
why I
thing to-
have cameras, to defend myself, to back up what I'm saying. There is no camera going from the middle to the bottom to the middle floor, but there is cameras on the bottom floor.
Okay, but everything took place, you said, on the top.
In between the stairwells.
So where the cameras aren't at?
Some was in the kitchen, and you'll see me grabbing his shirt. And then the rest was on the bottom floor when he was trying to leave, and you'll see him going out, and then I closed the door after him.
Uncle, just hang up.
Is it or you could coming over here? Or
Here's a word.
Rhea smidge you back in hand and then yes.
So I don't have a funny feeling back either.
There's no bail. It's domestic battery. She's not getting bail.
Yeah.
Right.
Can you lock my car? Can you lock my car real quick?
She can.
It's
You
in the
have it.
packet.
We're gonna bring you over to our squad. We're gonna put you in front of our camera right here.
I can't believe I'm getting arrested for I'm the victim. No, it doesn't matter.
Just hold it right there.
This is crazy. How many times this guy's tried to run me over with this truck and I'm getting arrested? This is unbelievable. I did nothing.
I'm gonna use the back of my hand to pat you down. Once we get back to the station, we'll have a female.
I have nothing. Just my keys.
Use your keys.
Yeah, I need my car lot.
I'm gonna take your keys out. In the back of my hand here. I'm gonna take your phone out.
Am I not allowed to have my phone either?
Not you can have all your stuff with you. We just have to collect all your property that's going with you. Use the back of your hand and check
Do I
that's
get
it.
to take my purse?
Back of my hand.
Grilled that for you. You want the red?
Am I really getting arrested
Yeah,
for defending myself?
You're under arrest for domestic battery.
I defended myself. Battery is when I assault somebody.
Okay. Don't tell us how to do our jobs and what the law is, okay? All right, switch sides.
I was just defending myself. She's a witness to it. I don't have anything. Just my
These
keys.
are house keys.
Yes.
These are car keys.
Yes.
Okay. You want us to leave car keys here? You bring the house key, or
Usually that's attached to that, but we were trying to move stuff out, so they were separated.
okay? Did you just want to bring both, or
I guess.
okay? So where's your purse? The blue one.
Yeah. Give me my purse. That life's over. Okay, the history of abuse is on my medical record. The concussions, the broken foot and ankle. This is why I got it documented. As if my backer was listening.
All the stuff that's in here, you wouldn't want to leave in here, right?
There's nothing really in there. A wallet. Or
You got a lot of stuff.
I can't hear you, honey. And I can't turn around because they'll think I'm doing
Your
something.
driver's license in here.
Yes.
Your driver's license is in here.
Yes. He already looked at it. Can I change my shoes? These aren't the real ones I wear. I need my regular shoes. Can I change my shoes real quick? I have my gym shoes.
If you're bringing regular shoes, we're gonna have to have them taken off anyway. So those are probably a better option because you'll be able to keep those on when you're in there with us. So if you're bringing shoes with laces, we're gonna have to take those.
Oh, okay.
So I would just leave those the way they are. Okay.
Just take my phone. Oh.
All right.
I was only using
Do
these to
you
move
want us
stuff
to
out of
leave
the
any other keys or any other property?
house. I don't know where my
Where-
house keys are. And my phone.
Your phone, your house keys are on the first. Do you want us to leave anything else with your daughter, so that she can potentially, lock the house up or whatever, or is she staying here?
Yeah. Are you coming with me?
Okay. So is she gonna stay here at the house?
Oh, she can't come with me, right?
No.
So how do I get home?
We'll cross that bridge later. But do you want to leave her with the keys so that she has a way to get in and out of the house? for the
Do
time
you
being?
have your keys? You have your house? Okay.
Okay, she's got keys inside.
Don't let anybody in the house. Can you call your sister, please? Can you call your sister? It's unbelievable.
All right, go ahead and step in. Just watch your head. Step in.
It's
It's easier to go
Can I
backwards.
put my hands in front? This is
No,
really
it's
hurting
easier
my
to
back.
go backwards.
Backwards?
Yeah. So sit down first, or turn a little bit more.
It's crazy.
So right. Okay. No, right. Open thing. I mean, you got to keep going too.
Yes.
This is why abusers keep abusing, because the wrong person gets arrested. That's okay. I will see this to you.